Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. Today, we are going to learn how to write a permission letter. What is a permission letter? A permission-giving letter is written by a higher authority to give permission to the receiver. It is written in response to the permission-seeking letter written by students, employee, school, etc. It is a formal letter and grants permission to the question asked to the sender. Here, Writing Practices will show you how to write a permission letter step by step. Check this out. The very first thing you must write is your information as a sender of this letter. Here, you must write your full name. Under your name, write your home address. When you write the address, you need to include the number, street name, city, state and zip code. You can also give your phone number or other contact information here, but it is optional. After that, write the date of the letter. You can use the format of month, date, and year. In this example is November 22, 2023. For the next, write the information about the recipient. You must write the full name. And under it, write the home address. If you address this to the school, you must write the occupation in the institution and the name of the school. In this example, the letter is addressed to an individual, so you don't need that. Just simply write the home address of the recipient. Mention the number, street name, city, state, and zip code. And now, write the subject or reference of the letter. Since you are giving permission, it should be reference. Because you are replying to the recipient's letter that asked your permission for an event or something. In this example, the reference of the letter is permission letter for child to travel with teachers for an individual visit. After writing the reference, you can open the letter with salutation. Simply write Dear Mr. or Ms. or Mrs., followed by the last name of the recipient. In the first paragraph, you can write directly that you give your permission for something that the recipient has requested in their letter. In this example, the writer gives his or her consent of his or her child for an educational trip with the recipient. Don't forget to mention the full name of the person you give permission. In this example is the writer's son named Barrett. If the event is positive and you like it, you can appreciate the recipient. In this example, the writer appreciates the recipient's initiative to give practical education to the students. And show how you feel about this event or trip. You can simply write that you are pleased to send your child into the event or trip. Of course, you can also mention how excited the participant is. Here, the writer tells the recipient that the child is very much excited about this educational tour. And since you don't participate, you can ask the recipient to take care of the children. You should be polite when you ask it, like write that you hope the responsibility of kids should be taken with great care. And you can also send a message asking there needs to be one to look after the children. In the second paragraph, say something good about the program or organization or institution. You can write that the education system of the school is beyond any doubt. Write also how your child learns a lot from the recipient's school. And since it is a trip, you can attach the letter with a bank draft for the child. Yes, mention how much the money is, in this example is $20. Write what the money should be used for. Just simply write for the fee of the tour, since some schools don't pay for individual visit. Don't forget to welcome the recipient to contact you for further details. And here, you can give your personal contact information, like phone number. Now, for the closures, you can write best wishes. Write thank you, and sincerely. Add your signature, and write your full name under it. Write also your relationship with the person you give permission, in this case, the writer is the father. So, that's how you write a permission letter step by step. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you soon.